It's not always that you get an earbuds that works and meets all the expectation that you come to expect of them, especially when it's not priced at an exorbitant amount of money. Today we're taking a look at Realme's take on the ANC earbuds genre, and everything that Realme has done here seemed to just hit the right buttons. So let's see if they are any good. Welcome to a review of the Realme Buds Air 2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Realme Buds Air 2. I've got quite a few requests to do the review of a Realme Buds Air 2 ANC earbuds, and looking at the specs, I was intrigued by it, and I personally bought the Buds Air 2 for about 199 Malaysia ringgit, and that's about 50 US, which I think for an ANC earbuds that work, that is very well priced. So if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below. So the last Realme earbuds that I've reviewed was the Realme Buds Q, and that was a good earbuds with quite a few flaws here and there. The Buds Air 2 however takes a different turn and now comes with a premium build and premium performance, so let's take a look. The entire case is made of this glossy material, very smooth and very similar to what you get with AirPods type of earbuds, and I presume that the black version would gather quite a bit of scratches over time, so I went with the white model instead. The front of the case, you see a very nice Realme font at the bottom, very nice silver font, which looks really classy in my opinion. And at the bottom, you'll be getting a Type-C charging port, and when you plug it in, the LED at the front of the case will start to pulse in green. Similar to when you open the case, it will also pulse in green. I've tried deciphering the LED indicator, but there's no way for me to tell what's the battery percentage like, and if you know, do let me know in the comments below. At the side of the case, you get a very stealthy button there, which if you don't notice it, you actually don't know it's there, but this is your pairing button as well as for you to factory reset your earbuds. The lid opening action of the Realme Buds Air 2 is really nice, and it holds itself in place so that you can access your earbuds and has a satisfying snap when you close the lid. The earbuds inside is designed very uniquely, and I personally think it's a nice fresh look and not your conventional TWS style earbuds. The white version that I have here comes with a white tip and a silver stem, whereas the black one comes with a black tip and a navy blue stem. So although the ear tips of these earbuds look pretty conventional, it does come with a smart wear detection sensor, and I wish the ear tips were a little bit more oval shaped, similar to the AirPods Pro, which would sit very nicely in my ears, but the Buds Air 2 is a little bit more rounded, but not too bad as well, still sits in my ear okay. So with ANC, the Buds Air 2 is rated at 5 hours of playback time, and the case gives you 4 additional charges at 20 hours, which is mediocre for an earbuds in 2021. Without ANC, the earbuds should last longer, but I can't find an exact rated battery life without ANC. If you know, definitely let me know. So the earbuds also supports quick charging, so 10 minutes of charging will give you about 2 hours of playback time, and the earbuds will take about 1.5 hours to fully charge. So the Buds Air 2 comes with Realme's R2 Bluetooth 5.2 chipset, which also supports the AAC and SBC audio codec, which is pretty cool since now they are one of the companies that makes a 5.2 chipset with ANC support, and it's cool that Realme is also using their own chipset. The earbuds are also rated to be IPX5 water resistant, so it should provide you with sufficient protection for sweating, raining, and even water splashes. Realme also builds in the capability for independent mono and stereo mode, which is really nice, meaning that you can pull out any side of the earbuds and you can still connect it to your device. But however, if you take it out from your ears, it will still pause because of that built-in sensor. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So as of the time of this recording, the iOS Realme Link app does not support the Buds Air 2 yet, so we will use the Android one as an example. So the app is very simple and it's mainly a one-page affair. Starting at the top, you'll be able to check the battery percentage of both of the earbuds as well as the case. Moving down, you will get the noise control settings here, so you get to choose between noise cancellation, normal mode, or transparency mode. So below that, you will also be able to adjust the mode switching. So this is when you get to customize how it toggles when you control the ANC through the earbuds itself. So you can choose between noise cancellation and transparency, or if you want to select all of them. Going back, you will also be able to select between gaming mode or turning off gaming mode. And below that, this is where you will be able to adjust the kind of EQ settings. You can choose between Bass Boost Plus, which is the one tuned by the Chainsmokers, or you can also choose Dynamic, or you can also choose Bright. So those are the three EQ settings that you have. And below that, you get Volume Enhancer. This is slightly to increase the volume of your playback if you want to have it louder. And below this, you get other controls, which lets you toggle whether you want in-ear detection or not, and whether or not you want auto answer for your earbuds. And below that, this is where you get to choose all the different controls and remap everything that you like. And you can see everything here has been remapped except for volume control. So what I have here is my ideal setup. So if you click into any one of them, you get to choose between all of the different controls here except for volume controls. So you can customize this to your liking, but this is what I usually use. So that's basically all you get inside the Realme Link app. So I think Realme did a pretty good job with the ANC performance of the Buds Air 2, and it does what it says and performs as expected. So these are not your flagship type of ANC performance, but for a budget-friendly ANC earbuds, I think it's pretty darn good. For the most part, ANC mode does a very good job with cutting most low humming noises around you, and when you play any music, you basically cut out everything else. Transparency mode does a pretty good job at slightly amplifying the surrounding noises without feeling overly artificial. So comparing it to other ANC earbuds, if the Bose QC earbuds is rated to be about 90%, the TWS NB2 Pro scores an 80%, the AirPods Pro and the Sony also scores an 80%, where the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro scores an impressive 85%. So I would say the Realme Buds Air 2 scores a healthy 70% for ANC performance. So the sound signature of the Buds Air 2 is surprisingly, and I think that they did a quite good job tuning these earbuds. Out of the box, the sound signature is powerful with good dynamic range across the board. The 10mm hi-fi bass boost driver provides you with good dose of low-end bass, which feels sufficiently kicky, and the earbuds also provides you with good mids, highs, and vocals. In the app itself, you get to switch between the Bass Boost Plus mode. You get a slightly boost in bass performance, but from my test, it does seem to pull down the clarity a little bit, but this is to be expected from a single driver earbud. Soundstage of these earbuds is pretty normal. I'm not getting a lot of 3D feeling with these earbuds, but overall, you'll still be able to get very good separation for the instruments. So this is a test to see if the Realme Buds Air 2 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. Latency on these earbuds is good with movies and videos, no complaints in this department. Enabling gaming mode will definitely help with gaming latency performance, and from normal use and playing some FPS games, you probably not notice much delay. When you slow it down, you'd still definitely see a delay, but very minor. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So overall, companies like Realme is what makes the industry exciting, where we continue to see great performance and innovation at a consumer-friendly price. With that said, I would say that this is a very worthwhile ANC earbuds for about 50 US. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.